Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off notifications on the Marble Snap game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Marble Snap game on your device and you will be taken through the basic tutorial levels if you haven't cleared them already. Once you complete these levels, you will gain access to the homepage, from which if you tap on the gear icon at the top left corner, you will not see any options to turn on or turn off notifications. So if you wish to disable a notification, you will need to do this from your phone settings. Just locate the Marble Snap game on your device and long press on it. You will then see the application info button. Go ahead and tap on it and this will take you into the app info page. First of all, tap on force stop at the bottom right corner and tap on OK to stop the app. Then underneath privacy, tap on notifications, and if the allow notification button is turned on, then you will receive notifications from the application. So simply turn this toggle off and this will disable all notifications from the app. You can now start enjoying your game without any notifications on your phone. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to turn off notifications on the Marble Snap game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.